can see this is a portrait feed machine. This model is like LM230. The capacity is 300 to 400 kg per hour. Yeah, this is the motor. Yes. And this is the mood like this. Roller. And we put the real material.
Can it be changed if you want to change the
Yes,
mode,
yes.
You can change
yeah, you can change it. Yeah. Some customer they also, add more the moves. Yeah, they can choose different size. Yeah. And there's one size with the machine, with the portrait feed machine. This is the control box. We have many different models. This is also crusher. Yeah, it's usually used in the production line. Crusher. Yeah, water drop crusher. You can see the stock here. We have
this type.
Yes, this type.
Those are them.
Yeah.
Or another type.
This is the fish feed machine, fish feed pellet machine with different models.
What I was asking in the car that time, if we buy, how do you engrave our name?
For example, this is our brand name here. We can put your name, your company name here. Yes, here.
No, you won't remove your own bets. You put so that anybody that buys will come through us.
Yeah. Just remove this one.
No, you like down here. You put the company's name as a distributor.
Okay.
Your company name.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's see that one.
Yeah. You can see that dryer is for the production line. Yeah. This is a conveyor.
Okay, that conveys the product.
Yes. This is the build conveyor. And this is the mixer. I told you want to add it. Yeah. This is 150 kg per batch.
Okay.
This one. This is the dryer. But for 120, the big model you choose will smaller than this one.
500 to 600
Yes.
per hour.
Yeah.
This is the driver.
Yeah, this is the dryer.
Can be open.
Yeah.
But supposing it has problem, what happens? How do we repair it? If we are using it and the dryer has issues,
Okay.
how do we repair it?
Repair it.
Sorry.
We have the engineer in the area.
You have the engineer.
Yeah, we have engineer. It's fine. Keep it.
Okay, it's okay.
Just keep it. This is the dryer for the model.
For that smaller model.
Yes, smaller model.
That's
Yeah.
230.
Yes. No to M40, 60, 70, 80. The extruder you can match the dryer for like this type. Yeah. Yeah.
It's alright. I've seen everything.
You have seen everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me get that one.
It's for the production line.
For production lines, yeah.
For 1 per hour.
Okay.
Like this.
You can see this is the poultry feed production line.
And this production line is for fish feed production line. It's also 1 per hour.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
let's go and conclude.
Okay.
Thank you.
And then mixer. After the mixer, then
It will come out here.
here.
This one use light, not diesel, right?
So yes, this is anything.
Okay.
This is motor.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And
Okay.
the motor power.
Okay. So these ones are for fish.
Yeah, for me.
So you where do you package them? You package them in kilos, in bags,
Yeah, in fact.
bags of 25.
50,
Huh?
50 and 25 or 50.
Okay. It's also okay. Okay. How many can this one produce per hour? This machine now.
This machine 100 kg per hour.
120 kg.
100. This RM50 100 kg per hour.
Okay.
Yeah. Smallest one is 60 kg per hour.
Okay. Okay, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's the same thing with this.
Yes, it's the same. That's why it's 80了。This one is 90. The one you order. This one RM90 for 300, 400 kg per hour.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So this one is a bigger set.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
You order one or two? One.
Okay. So this one is what line is that?
The fish feed production line.
Fish. Okay.
Yeah, also. 2 to 3 per hour.
Okay.
可以了吧？
It's okay.
可以了。
Kayla.
可以了。
It's okay. Kayla. Yes. Yes. All right. Thank you.